each of the last four constrictors is exposed on the surface. And these exposed parts are separated
You
from
look at
one
this
another
part.
by vertical lines of connective tissue. Most of each constrictor is concealed under the preceding constrictor, as can be seen by slitting along a raphe upward and downward from a gill slit. The innermost part of the constrictor supports the wall bearing the gill plates. The second dorsal constrictor.
Ay, wait. Tapos na ba yung last four? Wait. Kasi anim yung constrictors. Okay, anim. So, how do you count? Where do you start? From here. Diba? 1, 2. So, what you now see at the posterior part is 3, 4, 5, 6 superficial constrictors.
Yung 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ito yung first, ma'am.
Wait, kasi papaliktad yung discuss ni Hyman eh. She started with the last four. Yeah, she's Libby.
Ma'am, yung sa exam ba? As in, papabilang kung pang ilan yan?
Pwede.
Pang ilan?
Kaya nga ito, this is 3. I pointed it na. 3. Wait. 3 muna. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ano yung isa na yung...
Ito yung second, ma'am. Itong malaking to.
Wait. 3 muna. Okay, so Hyman nga described it starting from the last of the series, the last four. So if we count back, ganito na lang. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So una niyang binanggit are the last four superficial constrictors. Okay?
Yes.
Did you get that? Okay, so and each one is subdivided by the raphe. So why are they constrictors? Kasi it operates the gill by constricting, compressing. So when does it work? Pag nag-inhale or exhale yung shark?
Inhale.
Pag nag-inhale, naka-close yung gill, so close yan. Okay? Next.
Second. The second dorsal constrictor, belonging to the hyoid arc, is very large, extending from the raphe above the second gill slit forward to the muscle mass at the jaw angle. Then
This is the
continuing
muscle of the jaw angle. So ito na yan. Itong malaking to.
Yung second.
Oh, so happy?
Yes.
continuing above this mass as the epihyoidean.
Okay, if you notice, there's another mass just above it. Ito na yung
circle.
epihyoid yan. Ito.
So yung second, ma'am, ito lang.
Ito yung second, tong malaking to.
Sa taas. Epihyoid.
Epihyoideal.
Ma'am?
Epihyoideal, ma'am.
First is this one.
Wait, wag mo na yung first.
Second muna.
One at a time. So this would be the, kasi nga, di ba, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second na to, second dorsal constrictor. And a special part of it, above it, is the epihyoid yan. As to why nagkaroon, wag na muna natin
How
pag-usapan.
big is the chunk for the epi? The one,
How big is
the
the...
piece of the epi?
Ito na, this one here. So if the pin is here, second dorsal constrictor. If it's here, it's epihyoid, which is part of second dorsal constrictor. Okay?
Ano movement ng epi?
So, yun ang hanapin niyo. Next.
Immediately in front of
So, eye and upper jaw, there's a muscle.
Cylindrical
one?
muscle.
Parang nerve.
Pre-orbitalis. No. Nerve is very
Saan
small.
pre-orbitalis?
Ito ang nerve, oh, ganito lang. Hindi ganyan kalaki ang nerve class. Poste na yan. Okay. This one is the pre-orbitalis. So, pag may nakapin below the mata, pre-orbitalis na yan. And, ang isa pang itatanong doon is the quadrato because the two together will form the first dorsal constrictor. The adductor. Okay? Masyado tayong excited. Okay? Did you get that? Kasi ito hindi pa na skin dito eh. Basta ang pin sa ilalim ng mata preorbitalis. I-associate na yan dito sa quadrato. And can you read further?
The latter plus the preorbitalis forms the adductor mandibulae, which acts to close the lower jaw. The adductor mandibulae plus the dorsal constrictor are part of the first constrictor, that belonging to the mandibular arch.
Oh, so, kasama rin yung craniomaxillaris. The one, yung craniomaxillaris.
Sa doctor something.
Oo.
Adductor mandibulae.
Ito ba yung dissect? Ito. Okay, di ba? Remember the dorsal constrictor here, the craniomaxillaris. Okay, craniomaxillaris, quadritomandibularis plus preorbitalis is the first dorsal constrictor or adductor mandibulae. So now you're happy. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dorsal constrictors. Okay?
God. Three stations.
Or,
Ano, preorbitalis.
okay?
Oh, there are 3 parts for the first dorsal.
So, dahil dorsal to, we go now to the ventral. So, if there's a series in the dorsal, may series rin sa ilalim, sa ventral. O, sige.
In ventral view, the ventral constrictors of the last 4 gill pouches are seen to be similar to the dorsal ones. The first ventral constrictor is the very broad sheet originating on the mid-ventral raphe and slanting forward on both sides.
Okay, so, the first ventral is just the floor of the mouth. The first sheet of muscle that you see forming the floor is the intermandibularis.
muscle.
The first ventral constrictor. Okay? Or kung ito yung shark, or kung ito man, meron pa ba?
Ayun.
Di ba yan?
Hirap naman yun.
Ito, yan.
Wow.
Pagka ito yung ginamit, tapos ito yung nakapin, to, intermandibularis, or first ventral constrictor. Now, this one is somewhat confusing, but you should know it. Okay, di ba you see here sheet of muscle, a flat sheet. So it's like a sticker. Makapal siya kasi yung second ventral constrictor is under it. So this one on this side is first. Ito yung second dorsal. If you want, you can peel it, separate the two. Parang sticker. So the one you peeled off is the interhyoideus or the second ventral constrictor. You got that?
Ma'am, pwedeng sagot ng second ventral constrictor.
Or specifically.
Ay,
Diba
dorsal ventral.
floor ng mga
Ikaw man sa ito, boss.
Tapos, there's another sheet, dorsal or ventral to it.
Dorsal.